Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to easily make a simple mini greenhouse at home. This greenhouse can be a perfect solution to accelerate the growth and protect your plants. Let's get started.
2 large plastic bottles, craft knife or scissors, ruler for precise cutting, small jar or plastic bowl, seeds or seedlings.
First, carefully cut the bottom part of both plastic bottles using a craft knife or scissors. Be cautious while cutting, and try to make the cuts as straight as possible. Place the cut bottom part of one plastic bottle directly onto the other. This should join the bottom parts together and create a dome shape at the top for the plants.
To add ventilation to the greenhouse, cut a small window on one side using a craft knife or scissors. This will allow air circulation inside the greenhouse.
Place a jar or plastic bowl inside the greenhouse to facilitate plant hydration. This creates a natural humidity environment within the greenhouse. Now, place your seeds or seedlings inside your mini greenhouse. Water the soil and add some water into the jar.
There you have it. Your homemade, simple mini greenhouse is ready. This mini greenhouse will accelerate the growth of your plants and protect them from external factors. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on new videos.